Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I really wanted to go back and I saw a video of mine where I only tested the eyeshadow palette one time and I said I was going to do more looks with it, and that's the Anastasia and Jackie Aina palette. Mind you, don't mind my hands. I forgot to wash off the self-tan. I just kind of let it stay there. And it's so gosh darn beautiful, and I never gave it, I don't think this really had its true moment to shine, but look at this. So I want to create another look, you know, sort of like if you wanted to go out, a formal, you know, a dinner or a party or an event, something like that. I really want to create a really nice look using this palette. So yes, I really want to get the use out of this, and I never really, I think I gave it like an okay review, but I really didn't play with that many colors. So I'm going to attempt to do a really nice look with that, and then I'll take you through the rest of my makeup. I already put on my Anastasia Luminous Foundation, the Urban Decay Stay Naked Concealer, and the brows, and that's it. So if you would like to stick around and get ready with me, then let's just get started. I've just put some translucent powder down to catch any fallout, but first I'm going in with Ginger. This is a really nice transition shade, and I find that the formula of this palette is pretty consistent with all of the other, you know, formulas of the ABH palettes. If you're familiar with those, it's pretty on par, like the same in formula. I really love this shade. It's not too dark for me. On other people it looks really dark. Oh, I can't stand my tan hands. Oh my gosh, they're so embarrassing. But yeah, I really want to give this palette a second go. I really had no intentions generally in picking up this palette, and I even told people that no, I'm not going to pick it up. But I looked at it in store, and there's some of these shades, like these duochromes right here, that are just so gorgeous. I was like, it sold me 100%. I'm serious. So beautiful. Now I'm going to take another fluffy brush and go in with Edges right here. It's the next pigmented shade. And, you know, Ginger and Edges to me online looked very, very similar, but they're actually really not. This is almost like another, it's like a terracotta shade. And the first one is sort of a toasty brown with a little bit of warmness to it. I don't know how to, this is more red terracotta, and that one's more brown terracotta, if that makes sense, if that can be a thing. So I'm just going to blend that sort of like this. These shades are so pigmented. It's unbelievable. And then I'm going to take Pinker right here, the shade, and put it on the outer corner, sweeping it through the crease and building it up on the inner corner as well. Sort of maybe a halo eye, I don't know what it's going to end up being, but so far it's really, really pretty, blending out beautifully. And I just wanted to really try it again. This is beautiful. Also, I would like to take Credit, and I'm only going to put this on the outer corner, because if I put it on the inner corner, it's just going to be too much. It's going to be too dark. But I'm loving the way that this is looking and turning out. These shadows are great, and I have no fallout so far. It's, you know, that I can see. If I do, it's very, very minimal. So yeah, Credit just on the outer corner to try to feather it out. Oh, this is so pretty. I always feel like I have to get my shadow kind of perfect when I don't in reality. I think we all kind of do that to ourselves. Maybe not. Maybe it's just me. And then for the lid, I want to go in with Dola's because I just love this shade. Ah, yes. It's exactly what this needed. How gorgeous is this shade? Beautiful. Right on top of that shade, I want to put Trust Issues, that white there, just to give it an extra pop. You see that? Transformation? Yes. So for the lower lash line, I'm trying to get a brush here. I want to take edges and just run that along the lower lash line. So pigmented. And then with a pencil brush, I'm going to be taking this shade, Big Wig, this purple. So just going in with that Big Wig shade. Really beautiful dark purple. I love it. It's intense. But I like it a lot. Then I want to go back in with edges and really smoke the shade out. Drag it down pretty far. Like really going hard, smoking it out, really smoking it out. Kind of covering all of my under eye wrinkles at the same time. Wow. I love how this is turning out, guys. What do you think? How do I lose brushes when I put them on me? I'm like, does anybody else have that problem? They go to do their makeup and then they're like, where's my brushes? Is it just me? Guys, wait till you see. Look at this inner corner highlight. It's so gorgeous. It just took Trust Issues and mixed it with Soleil. Guys, look at this. Oh my word. That is stunning. And I'm going to do that for the brow bone as well. Wow. I did not give this palette enough credit the first time I reviewed it. It was like a first impressions. But this is so good. And I'm absolutely loving this look. It's totally like a party look, you know, or just a formal. I just love how it turned out. I'm obsessed. So I just applied some mascara on my couple lashes that I have. It was a mixture. It was Stila Huge mascara. And for bronzer, I'm going in with the L'Oreal True Match Bronze It with my Wet n Wild brush. My favorite bronzing brush. I just love the way this eye look turned out. I just cannot get over it. It's super nice for winter. We just left fall, but this would have been a really great fall look as well. So I'm just kind of taking this everywhere. This would look great with some lashes, I bet. Beautiful though. So for blush, I'm going with the Alamar Cosmetics Colorite Blush Trio. Looks like this. I got it in a boxy charm. I just kind of run through all three and sort of stamp it. Really beautiful. And then I just kind of put it everywhere. I love that blush. Love blush. If you're new to my channel, I love blush. You all know this. For highlight, I'm going in with the Lancome Dual Finish Highlighter, and this is in Luminous Gold. You guys, this is so beautiful. Nice and soft, but super, like it catches the light just perfectly. Like I live for this. I love it. I think this look came out stunning. What do you guys think? I know you guys are going to be mad at me, but this is all I have, really. I don't have any, like, super bold tones. I just lined my lips with the Revolution, Makeup Revolution or Revolution in Chauffeur. And I'm going in with Pixie by Petra Pastel Petal Lipstick. Their liquid lipstick formula is so good. Like, it's so thin. And it just, it's like it literally lasts all day. And it's so super thin. I don't feel this on my lips at all. Last for setting spray, I'm going with the Glam Glow Glow Setter. And so you guys, this is the final look. What do you think? I love, love, love the eyes. I think it's perfect, even, you know, sometimes for every day, but especially a special occasion or an outing, or if you're going somewhere special, I don't know, out to the club, whatever you guys do. Dinner date, like a theater, something like that. It's really, really elegant. I love it. I love the blush. I love that highlight. Everything about this look I am obsessed with. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll subscribe if you are not already. And until then, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.